Leverage, one of the best ways to grow your money in real estate. Or is it? Hi, my name's Darren Wright, your real estate investor. So what is leverage and why is it good for real estate? Well, when you put down a deposit on a property that has a rental income, you're leveraging your money because you're putting, say, 20% down and the bank is putting 80% down. But when you get appreciation, you're getting appreciation for the whole 100% value of the property. So I'm just going to show you now that if this is 20% and then the bank has 80%, if we say this is 100,000 and you're making 3%, 3% being the appreciation per year on that property, well, if you got 3% of your 20,000, you would only get $600. So 3% is $600. But you don't get the 600, you actually get an appreciation of the full 100%, which works out to be $3,000. And this works out year after year. So on year 2, you're going to get 3% of the $103,000. So when you actually work out, you're getting 5 times the amount of leverage for your actual deposit or your money. And that's why you can grow over time so much in real estate. But there is a catch because you cannot over leverage, because as you can see, the demonstration, we have, a house which you're leveraging with your money and the bank's money, which gives a full leverage to leverage it up. And when you push down on here, you obviously lift the house, so that's why they call it leverage, because you're getting more money or more leverage on your money to lift your value of your property. But here's the catch: if you over leverage, we've all done this before, where you have a stick too much and you push too much on there, what happens is it breaks. And that's because you've over leveraged and your income producing property is not being able to keep up with the mortgage payments. So that's what we mean by over leveraging. If you over leverage something, the system's going to break and you're going to lose your deposit as well. So when difficult times come, depending on the climate, you want to be putting more deposit down to protect your leverage. You're still getting good return, even if you're putting down 30, 35% or 40%. Now, some people go even less than that, where you can leverage it, maybe putting 10% down. But this is when you're becoming a danger as well. So always be careful to consider what you're doing with leverage. Use it for, good to grow your portfolio, but also keep in mind that it could destroy your portfolio as well.